Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine to a custom one on CUBOT King Kong 7. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using the search engine. And now you can click here and you can go to settings and click on search engine, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com option, and then you can click back, and as you can see now my search engine is set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.